For example, if a Muslim give a blasphemous comment on his own religion, he should say back to Shahadatain.
Yeah,
Should say the back. If not, he'll be punished. Will be punished, and then he will be penalized. After that, if other than Muslims give blasphemous comment, he should get actually in the real context in our country Indonesia, there is no death penalty for that kind of crime. But in the context of authentic Islam, should give death penalty.
Yes,
No more remission for that.
like Hebron Hedo, his name, the French people drawing the Muhammad.
Jaliatu.
Oh, one question again. How to
Prosecute.
prosecute?
Prosecute.
Yeah.
Sue, yeah.
Yes, sue. How to the sue? How to sue? How to sue? The people insult our religion like Charlie Hebdo, but it's not our country. Maybe it's true because in his country, but he
France.
insult our religion. How to
Sue, right? I think everyone can sue or file a suit for that kind of crime through international organization like OKI, right?
Oh, right.
OKI, maybe we give we make a petition, change the org,
Oh yes.
change the
Change the
org,
org.
and then
Boycott.
boycott that organization through international organization, for example, United Nations, or we can